What's up, guys? Today I want to talk about Orca, a protocol on the Terra ecosystem that allows the average crypto user to profit from liquidations on Anchor. Let's get into it. So, before we get into Orca, you need to understand liquidations in this context. Simply put, liquidations are when Anchor sells your collateral to make sure it is able to get back the money you borrowed. Here's an example. Let's say Bob has some Luna and he mints $100 worth of B Luna, then deposits it on Anchor. He can borrow against that a maximum of 60 UST because the maximum rate is 60%. So he does. Crypto is a volatile market and some FUD makes Luna's value slide. Bob's $100 worth of B Luna is now worth $95. Bob's collateral is then sold for no less than 60 UST because his borrowed amount exceeds 60% of his B Luna's current value. It's at this point that Orca comes in. Orca allows anyone to take part in and profit from liquidations by setting limit orders for the discount you're willing to accept during the liquidation event. So, how does it work? Well, on the user side, there are two things you need to decide. First is how much you are willing to bid. Then, how much of a premium/discount you want. The bid is how much you're willing to deposit in order to use the protocol. I think of it like putting in a limit order and depositing your funds while you wait for it to be filled. The premium is the discount that you will receive on your B Luna bid if it's filled. I think of it like setting your price on a limit order, except here, you won't know the price until liquidations start occurring. Over here is a chart where you can see the amount of bids at different premium percentages. Different premium bids are pooled together. Bids start at a 0% premium and go up to 30%, with the smallest premiums being satisfied first. Assuming there are enough loans to liquidate, all the bids at the lowest premium are utilized before the next highest pool is activated, moving steadily upward until there is no more collateral to liquidate or no more bids. These red bars under here are executions. It's a graphical representation of how many times the pool above it was emptied out. The pools that are closer to a 1% premium tend to have more opportunities to have their bids filled. So let's place a bid now. First, we head over to the collateral market. Today, I want to place a bid on Luna, so I'm going to leave it on B Luna, but you can do ETH as well. Choose how much of a premium you want by selecting it here. I'm going to go with 6%. Then select how much you want to bid. I'm going to start off with 200 UST. Next, select My Bid and confirm in your Terra Station wallet. Here comes the important part. It takes some time for your bid to be ready. If you scroll down, you can see under the bid status section, it should say ready in whatever X minutes. After that time passes, it's important that you activate your bid. It's a mistake that a bunch of people, myself included, make the first time. And it sucks to know you could have gotten discounted Luna, but you didn't because you forgot to click the button. After you activate your bid, that's it, you're done. Now all you have to do is wait for the liquidations to happen and come back and claim your B Luna or B ETH. So, there is a downside to using this protocol. While you don't have to worry about impermanent loss and the risk of getting rugged is relatively small, in my opinion, you must accept the opportunity cost of having your UST idle here until there is a liquidation event. If you had it, let's say, sitting in Anchor earning 20% APR, it might be more profitable to have kept your funds there instead of in Orca chasing a liquidation that may or may not happen. What do you guys think of this protocol though? Let me know down in the comments, or let's discuss in the Discord. Next, you should check out my video on Wonderland and Ohm Fork on the Avalanche ecosystem that is paying out over 71,000% APY in its time token. I'll see you guys in the next video, and we can keep talking about getting more coins.